Okay, today we are playing Trading Pet Simulator, I think. So, today we try to do, we try to collect coins, and, if you collect a lot of coins, then you can get more, you can get more eggs and more, like you see I have dogs. You can get more, and then you can get more dogs, or you can get you can get other stuff. And you see these coins, if you have 3 dogs, you can buy eggs over at the shop, as you can see. And I don't know, because there are stacks of gold, like money, and then right here. And then I sent 3, because you can see 3 lines. So my pets' names are, I think, there's, I can't see, there's Acorn and Ike, and then the other one is just named Pet. Yeah, that's my names for my pets. And today we're trying to get the most eggs you can get. And you can just leave your puppies behind if you want to. But, so, I'm not used to doing it on a cute computer. I'm sorry. And see, you can get more coins, and then you can get all these kind of crazy eggs. You see, I kind of like this one right here, because it's like crystal, and I'm sorry I just hit it, but the most of them are over here. This is the most money. You see, 5,000, I don't know, but that's a lot. I mean, I'm pretty young to do this, but I can tell. And this egg is the dogs. You see, I already have 3 of them. I actually have 4, if you count all of them. Well, I have 3 out, because that's the most you can have out. Because over here, these are my 3 dogs. And if I go to here, then it says I have 4 dogs, but it can only allow you to have 3 out. And if I get more, then they're special and it doesn't take as long. And you see over here, they, I think, just joined the game. And if you want to be friends with me on Roblox, you can just send your friend request. This is actually my first video. See, they have vampires or bats. Yeah, the bats. But yeah, you can get crazy things. I just have dogs. But you see, that person just joined. And I actually have a lot of friends. And you can see he has a lot of crazy animals. It's like a beaver, sparkling thing, and like a black spotted dog. And so they're getting a lot of coins. So, yeah. And, she already got that one. Yeah. So it's really cool how you can pick up this stuff. And it's probably pretty boring, because, simulators are just kind of boring. But this one is actually kind of fun. I actually like it. So, yeah, it's pretty fun. But most simulators are boring, some of them aren't. And since I have 3, I can go whoop, boop, boop. Now all 3 of them are coming. See? And then I'm doing some gold. Now I have 852. I'm sorry you can't see my face, but if you could, you can tell I'm young to do this. But there is chests that will spawn in, and they're worth a lot of money, and it takes like 1,000 something seconds. So, yeah, the chests take a long time, but sometimes tiny chests. There's tiny chests. There's a lot of chests. So the main goal is to get all of the eggs, and that's what we're trying to do. And the second egg that we have to do is we have to get 2,000, I think. Yeah, I have to get 2,000 and 2,500. So, my puppies are already done. And I don't know what the other ones are. Probably a bat. But, yeah. And when we get to like something like that's like super a lot of coins, then if it takes a lot of coins, I'm probably gonna leave the game, cause if it takes a lot, then and it'll take a lot just to get 2,500 and 897 right now. So, yeah. Probably when we get the next one, then I might do another video. But when I get the next one, I'll probably leave the game. I've heard a lot of people like Roblox, I've heard. And this is my avatar. So, I'm not used to this, so I'm not used to looking forward or down. I don't know how to look down or up because it's new, but I can still do it. And if you just click on it 3 times, then okay. It's already gone. Okay. So once we get the next egg, I'll probably leave the game. Oh, hi, Devil Man. Is that a devil? I'm sorry. You devil. Oh, you. What? Want something for free? Yes. Yes. Whoa. Okay, I'll give him one of my dogs. And then he traded me a dog. And then ready? Ooh, wait, what did he trade me? He traded me another dog. Yeah, he traded me another dog. But, what? Yeah. So that's how you play the game, but, I don't want to get a lot of money. There's a lot of money over here. Ooh, money, money, money. It's mine. She just disappeared in the distance. Did you see that? She just disappeared over there somewhere. She just disappeared. I don't know where, but she disappeared over here. Did you see her? I mean, she was over here somewhere. So, yeah, how do they get in here? It costs like, I want to see how much it costs. I still don't know how to look up. But, yeah. I haven't figured out everything about Roblox. I mean, 25,000 coins to get in there. It's just impossible. It's actually not. I saw people go in there, but it's hard. Oh, hello, girl. And home. Over here. Have you ever played this before? Guess not, because you don't have a dog yet. She has 2 dogs. He doesn't have any. No offense. But they're gonna get that. Okay. So, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Going over here. And guys, I might do it sooner if it takes super long to get 2,000 coins. So I might leave after a while. So, but I might leave the game, but yeah. And I'm gonna pick up these coins. Bang, bang, the bang. So they're picking up these coins. Have to make sure they're picking up coins. I'm sorry, that's pretty loud. But I think you can. Yeah. What's that squeaking noise? I can hear a squeaking noise. There's a mini chest right here. See that mini chest? Yeah. Mini chest right there. Yeah. So they'll give you a lot of money. Mini chests. They'll give you a lot of money. I think they already broke it. No, not yet. They haven't broke it yet. Are they still working on it? Yeah, they're working on it. Oh, here's a cool. Whoa. That was loud. Okay. That was actually fun. Who is he? Is that him? No. Where are you? Is that him? No. Where is he? Is it she? Is it him or her? No. If I don't know, then I'm probably gonna say no. I mean, I want to know who or what she is. I know what she is, but I don't know where she is. Because it's not her. I mean, where is she? And I need to find a lot of gold. I need to start doing it. Boing. Boing. What? Okay. There you go. And the other one behind there is 400 100,000 coins.